Welcome to our guide on navigating Texas probate, focusing on debts, assets, and your rights in this complex legal process. Losing a loved one is never easy, and the legal hurdles that follow can feel overwhelming. You've likely heard the word probate, but what does it actually mean for you? Simply put, probate is the legal process of transferring a deceased person's property to their heirs. But there's a catch. Before the family receives their inheritance, the estate has to settle its debts. If you've been named an executor or administrator, you're the one in the driver's seat, and the road can get complicated. In Texas, the probate process generally follows four main structured steps, which we'll outline now. The first step is inventory. We identify and value everything, from bank accounts and homes to jewelry and vehicles. Next is to settle debts. We notify creditors who have a specific window of time to file a claim. If they miss it, they might lose their right to be paid. The third step, distribute assets. Only after all debts, taxes, and fees are paid can the remaining assets go to the beneficiaries. Finally, close the estate. We submit a final accounting to the court, and once approved, the process is officially complete. Not all debts are created equal. Texas law actually sets a, quote, priority list for who gets paid first from the estate's assets. It looks like this. First on the priority list are funeral and burial expenses. Texas prioritizes a dignified farewell for the deceased. Second are administration expenses. This includes court fees and your probate lawyer's fees. Third are secured debts, like your mortgage or car loan, which are tied to specific assets. Fourth are taxes. Finally, we address unsecured debts, like credit cards or medical bills, if funds remain. Here is the question I get most. Am I personally responsible for my loved one's debt? In Texas, the answer is generally no. Heirs do not inherit debt unless they personally co-sign the loan. If the estate runs out of money, lower priority debts simply go unpaid. Furthermore, Texas law protects certain assets, like the family homestead, to ensure surviving family members are supported during the process. Probate is a lot to handle while you're grieving, especially when creditors start calling. You don't have to do this alone. We understand this is difficult. Our goal is to handle the legal complexities so you can focus on your family. At Schuster Law, we help administrators in Arlington and across Texas protect the estate's assets and navigate the court with confidence. Reach out to Schuster Law today for trusted guidance and peace of mind. Let us handle the legal heavy lifting so you can focus on your family.